I'm sorry. All the noise in my head and the hatred in my heart. Hatred for myself is maddening.
Kriti Tripathi, 1999 to 2016. We cease to imagine that something like this can happen to us as well. For decades now, career decisions are made based on either lack of knowledge, parental or peer pressure, or at best, academic scores. It's about time we start to guide our youth to make informed decisions. Mentoria. Declutter, discover, get connected, take control. A web and mobile-based ecosystem that handholds and acts as a mentor in choosing the right career. We at Mentoria accurately measure a student's interests, personality, and ability via a reliable online psychometric assessment, which allows the students to filter from 12,000 career options to what would suit them best. To determine a career path, Mentoria organizes face-to-face counseling sessions for students and their parents with its well-trained counselors. Online counseling through a video chat can be conducted as well. Mentoria provides its students with well-researched and customized information about the career they are pursuing. This helps the students understand their career path, the skills they should possess to grow in that field, the colleges or universities that they could go to, and the jobs they will find. Mentoria connects students and industry experts through webinars where students can interact with professionals to live a day in the life of that professional and to get all their doubts sorted. We at Mentoria foster communities of like-minded individuals through chat rooms and discussion groups where students can communicate with each other to find out more about that career. This process of informed career decision-making can result into happier individuals, families, and eventually nations. Mentoria. Declutter, discover, get connected, take control.